Okay, so we have a question on fractions ratio and units. There were 9 red beads and some blue beads in a box. After some red beads were added, the fraction of the blue beads was 2/5. Now take note, in this step, nothing happened to the blue beads. Okay, only you're adding the red beads. Okay, so next, after 56 yellow beads were added, the fraction of the blue beads was 2/9. Again, you're only adding yellow, nothing is happening to the blue and red this time. What was the number of red beads added? This one is for that first addition of red beads. Okay, so let me highlight to you what's happening here. So at the start, you have a box of beads. You have 9 red and some blue beads as well. And what you do to this box, you are adding some red beads. Add red. Okay, then the box has more beads now. In fact, you know that now there is the same number of blue beads and then some red beads as well, some more red beads. What do you do next? You are adding 56 yellow beads, and the box will now have that 56 yellow beads. Okay, we also have the red beads and then the blue beads as well. Okay, so what we know is after you have added the red beads, the fraction of blue beads became 2/5. Okay, so you can use the ratio method here. Blue is to red, and this will become 2 is to 2 out of a total of 5. So to find red, you just need to do 5 minus 2. You get 3 units for the red one. Okay, now later on, once you added 56 yellow beads, the fraction of blue beads became 2:9. So blue is now 2 out of a total of 9. Okay, let's take note now. In this step, you're only adding the yellow, so the red should remain. Since you have 2 blue beads here and 2, very nice, right? Because we have to ensure that the blue remains the same, because you're not adding any blue beads in between. So since the blue is the same, we can say that the red is also 3 here, because you didn't add any red beads. Okay, now we can find yellow. Take note, the total is 9 units. How do we find yellow then? 9 minus 2 minus 3. Yellow will be 4 units. Very nice. Okay, so now we know that there's 4 units of yellow beads, which represents that 56 yellow beads. So 4 units is equals to 56. We find 1 unit. 56 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4, you get 14. And then you can find how many red beads are you dealing with right now. So that's 3 units. 14 times 3. 42. And you can know how many red beads you added, because you started with 9, you ended up with 42 red beads. So 42 take away 9, you get your answer for this question. You added 33 red beads. This is our final answer for this question. This is actually a 2020 PSLE math questions from paper 1, question 30.